Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a troubleshooting method for the Lenovo ThinkPad 15mm laptop. When I power on the laptop, the screen backlight turns on, but the brand logo does not appear. Typically, when you power on a computer, the LCD backlights turn on, the brand logo, whatever the HP, Dell, it appears. The system checks the boot manager and follows the boot sequence to load the operating system. However, in this case, since the logo does not appear, there could be an issue with the hardware or firmware. Here in this laptop is experiencing a boot issue. Additionally, the Lenovo logo screens roughly takes 5 seconds to appear every time the laptop is powered on. You can see that it's taking time, so just let's wait until the logo appears. Yep, the logo came. But see, normally it shouldn't take this much time when you switch on the computer, but see, at first glance it doesn't seem to be a BIOS setting issue. It looks like hardware issue. So let's begin by power off the laptop. We'll remove all the screws using a Phillips 1.5mm screwdriver and then use a plastic pry tool to carefully unlock the clips of the bottom cover. Be gentle while prying it open to avoid breaking any locks. Sorry, this was already opened and I'm just showing you the way to open. Alright, okay, so now the bottom cover is safely removed. Let's take a closer look inside. Any visible damage? Yep, nothing. So okay, now we have removed and the back cover. Now let's look closer. The issue is most likely related to the hard drive or RAM. So let's check step by step. Okay. So let's check the RAM. This laptop has 8 GB of built-in RAM with an additional slot for expansion. So let's open the RAM cover and see if anything is inside or it's built-in. Yeah, nope, it's empty. So this means you can add extra RAM to this slot. So let's close this. So next is very important is before removing any components, always disconnect the battery cable first. So just safely remove the battery cable. So you know that failing to do so may damage the motherboard or other components. So safe to remove. As always, it's recommended to remove the battery cable first. So now let's inspect the hard drive first. Unscrew the 4 screws and carefully disconnect the hard drive cable. Just remove all the 4 screws. Keep it aside the screws safely. Don't lose it because it's very small screws. Okay, now the 4 screws has been removed. Okay, and just very careful. This is a strip cable and it can tear easily if mishandled. So just very carefully disconnect this cable. Use any small tiny you can use the pry tool to just make some gap so that you can pull out those cable. From your finger it's very difficult. Use any pry tool because it's a plastic. It's okay. Yeah, you can safely remove it. Yeah, it's disconnected. As you can see that, yeah, it's disconnected. And the strip cable, you see, it's a very tiny strip cable. Yeah, see, if if you pull out, it can break. Okay, careful. Yeah, see, this laptop has a SATA hard drive, so let's keep it aside. Now I'm not going to connect the power battery, so let's power on the laptop using only the direct power adapter without connecting the battery. I don't want to connect the battery now, so let's open the lid, turn on the power switch and see what happens. Yeah, there it is. The Lenovo logo appears immediately. See, as you can see, the logo appears and the next screen came. The culprit is the faulty hard drive, so that's why the logo was taking time to load. So simply replace the hard drive and install the operating system, and your laptop is good to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.